Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm in Australia and I've come on here today because I've got this really good parcel. I think this is an entry in my competition. It's supposed to be one piece of fabric. It's a big parcel from Anne Duke, and she's in America. Isn't this beautiful? And you know what? It only took 7 days to get here to me. 7 days. But then she did put it first class. Look at this pretty pictures and that she's put on here. She's distressed the paper on the sides, and on the back it has an instruction that says I have to open this end, so that's good. I know what to do. Thank you. And I'm going to open this end. So, okay. We are getting cool weather in Australia, and that is really good. Oh well, my husband's pleased with it anyway. We've got a lot of nice paper on there. I don't want to tear this because I want to keep this outside bit. I do. I love this washi tape too. We're trying to save me washi tape. That doesn't matter though if I'm saving things, does it? Really. This side here is only just plain, but the other side has got the nice work on it that she did. So that's good tape, isn't it? I think that might be. That's not washi tape. That's masking tape. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness me. I've got flowers, look at that. Oh, look at this. It's a layer of flowers. Isn't that good? Thank you so much. And there's a parcel. And there's a card. I got it out without causing too much damage to the box. Oh, thank you so much, Anne. This is so nice of you. Look at the card. Isn't this beautiful? She made got me die cuts, and I thought I've seen somebody cut out the paper with the music on it. Never thought about that myself. I don't know. And that looks really good with your die cuts, doesn't it? And this is oh, look at that. Oh, isn't this nice? Thank you so much. It's so pretty. Look, I've got a lovely card. Sending you lots of love and hugs and a few things to help you with your making of your book. I really look forward to seeing your tutorials on YouTube. Happy 5th anniversary. Just smiles, Anne Duke. Thank you so much, Anne. That is so nice. You live in Texas in America, don't you? Yes, you do. Okay, look at this. Isn't this pretty? She made this nice colour there. That looked good. That's very nice. Thank you. And put some more little flowers on the tiny little diamonds in the centre. They look terrific. Thank you so much for that, Anne. That's very kind of you. I have been having cat trouble today. He keeps wanting to nurse. I know that's weird. This is nice. I can colour these, or I can use them like they are, can't I? Or I can wear it around my neck, but I can colour them flowers. Thank you so much. And I've got a parcel here. Oh dear, my goodness me, look at this. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Oh dear, I'm dropping everything. And I was gonna, thank you. Oh, look at the little tea bags. I thought about buying some of these. Oh, now I'm going to have to learn to play with these. Oh, thank you so much. Isn't that cool? Oh, don't they look awesome? Thank you so much. Oh, look, and I've got heaps of them. Little tea bags. Thank you. Oh, I thought about trying to find some to buy them. I didn't know where I was going to get them from. Thank you so much, Anne. I really love these. That's very kind. Thank you. Oh, and she's made me some tags. Oh, look at them. Oh, aren't they beautiful? Look at that. Oh, beautiful paper with journaling spot on the back. And this could go in my book. Thank you. That's so lovely. And this one here too. Look at that. It's beautiful butterflies. I love butterflies and birds and things, as everybody knows. And look at this, how she's made this beautiful tag for me. Thank you so much. And they're so nice. Thank you so much, Anne. I really do like them. Are they beautiful? Oh dear, yeah, I'll be doing something nice. Look at this. I got a parcel of pretty. Oh look, this is lovely. Like mauve colours. Do love mauve colours. Oh, look at that. Oh dear. I think I might be able to make more than one book with all this beautiful stuff. This is like a crocheted lace, because it's and it's really, really neat, isn't it? Oh, I love that. Oh, I do like that. That is very nice. That's going to be really good in things, you know, really good. And maybe if I pull, oh, look at that, it works. No, yes. And I've got all this nice ribbon. This nice ribbon's good for flowers too, this organza ribbon. If I can figure out how to get it. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm going to get at it, I really will. Look, it comes undone somehow, look at me. I'm doing it. Thank you so much for this, Anne. This is beautiful. And I'm going to be using this as well, so I will be putting that onto something to look after it. With those, thank you so much. That's so nice. I've got, oh, look at this. She's rolled up there. Oh my goodness me. Oh dear. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness me. Look at these wonderful things. Oh, thank you so much. Look at it. And I've got this nice thing that she's wrapped it in. Oh dear. Thank you so much, Anne. That's so kind of you. Oh dear. They're spoiling me. Oh, look at this. Oh, and it's soft. It's so soft and beautiful. Look at that. Oh, look at that. There's a page there. Look. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Thank you so much. Oh, dear. Oh, I can't wait to do something with... Oh, isn't this so nice? Oh, thank you so much. That is beautiful. That. And it is so light. You know, it's really light. Oh, look at this bit. Oh my goodness me. I don't think I have a really wide one of these, I think. Maybe a couple of smaller ones, but this is, never seen this sort of one be in this really nice. And she gave me a lot of that too. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, Anne, thank you so much. I really do love this. Thank you so much for these things. You people are so kind to me that I just wanted a piece of fabric and you sent me all these beautiful things you're sharing. Thank you so much. Oh, look at that. Oh, look. Oh dear, I do so much work. I'm trying to work out the best, and I think I might the hinges for the books. I'm going to have to start out by thinking about that first, because the last one I put together, I got to the end of it and thought, now how am I going to put it together? So I'm going to have to think the hinge before I start. But all this sort of stuff's going to look so awesome in different sort of journals and things that I want to do, and anything else. And look at this one. Oh my goodness me, look at this one. Isn't this lovely? Oh wow. Oh, isn't that nice? Look at him. Isn't that pretty? And if I wanted to cut little tiny bits off, I could do that. I might just take a few, you know, because the rest of it I could leave in. Although she sent me a really good lot here. That's so kind. Thank you so much. I really like that. Thank you very much for that. It's very nice of you. Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Oh my goodness, this looks like a little puppy, doesn't it? Looks like one of them little puppies. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Oh, look at it. Isn't it lovely? Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. I ain't never seen anything like this. That's not very good words, but I haven't. This is beautiful, Anne. Thank you. I just, it's so really nice to get these beautiful, pretty things. But even more so, it's the fact that you people want to give me these things of yours and share these with me. That is so kind of you. Thank you so much. I love that. And this one too. Look at this. And you've put them on really nice tag things so I can keep them rolled up. Look at that. Oh my goodness me, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Thank you so much. So soft and fluffy. It is so nice. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, and I've got some hearts. I can't see. Hang on a minute. I just have a bit of water. Sorry. Sometimes you get perspiration in your eyes, don't you? Oh, look at this, Anne. Thank you so much. You've cut me out some hearts. Well, I can sit there and make things out of these, or use them as little parts on things. Or she's made me 3 lots. So look at that. I can do 3 hearts, can't I? Thank you so much. Like this, 2 and 2 and 2, and I love the little. Look at the little flower on there. Isn't that gorgeous? Thank you. Oh, and I got a nice bow. Oh, look at the nice bow. It's a brooch, or you could wear it around your, on your, you know, on your collar. I suppose you could use it for a little bow tie. Isn't it a beautiful colour? Oh, thank you so much, Anne. It's so nice. And these two, and then you said these. I've seen them without them on the string, but I've never had them on the string. Oh dear, look at that. And I got heaps. Oh, she sent me a lot of heaps of those. Thank you so much. Oh dear. Oh, thank you. I feel a bit silly here. Okay. This is nice. Isn't this good? Look at that. Oh, look at that. Make a nice bag, wouldn't it? Small one. Bag. Envelope. Lots of different things. Beautiful for trim. Isn't it lovely? Thank you so much. It's beautiful. I do have a bit of the I've probably got a little tiny bit of one of these left, but only a small bit, because I think these look lovely. I like the bigger ones, but the little ones are just so cute, aren't they? They're just so dainty and nice, and I just love that. I do love it. Oh, and I've got a nice piece of linen fabric here. Look at that. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah, then the colour. Isn't it gorgeous? Just a thing for a page. Just a thing to make pages out of. Oh, I love that. I do. I do like it. Yes, it's so nice. Thank you so much. Piece of fabric. Look at this one. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. It's like the softest fairy winged tulle you've ever seen. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh wow. Fairy winged tulle. Oh, look at it. Thank you. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, and this is nice. Oh, thank you. Oh dear, this is pretty. Love blue too. I do love blue colours. Oh, and I got some more. Oh, I got some more fairy wing stuff. This is lovely. Oh, you're not going to believe this. I've got the tiniest bit of this that I got on off a little dress, and it's the same sort of thing. And I was trying not to use too much. So I was trying to keep it. Oh, isn't this good? Thank you. I've got heaps of it now, haven't I? Isn't that strange? How you knew I needed more. It makes... I think I did a half a flower in something I made with it. Oh, it's so pretty. Thank you so much. All beautiful. All beautiful. Oh, here's another bit. It's blue. It's a blue, what do you say, what is it, broder on glaze, broder on glazes, I think this is called, and it is blue, and isn't it good? Oh dear, goodness me, this is so nice. This keeps getting hooked up a bit, so I'll move him over just a tiny bit over this way, so it's alright, we're not going to panic. Oh, isn't that lovely? Thank you so much, Anne. That is so beautiful. Thank you. I love that. And this one here. Oh, look. I like the little flowers. Love the ones with the little flowers on them. This is a little bit old, I think. You know, like it's something that she's got off a piece of a garment. But the style to me to this seems to be a bit old, this fabric. And that's vintage. It's really nice. And here's another piece too. I think this could be a bit of a vintage piece as well. I'm thinking that's the same sort of thing. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, Anne. Just have a, can you let me know about that? But I think they look to be. Maybe there's just bringing all these little prints back in, you know, because they're not a lot easy to come by now. I don't think these little prints, not here in Australia anyway, that I've found. I mean, I don't have access to shops at all like that sell fabric anymore. Look at that. Oh wow. Oh dear, look at this. I love this. Isn't that pretty? Every tiny piece is... Oh dear. Actually, she hasn't sent me tiny pieces. Oh, isn't this good? Oh, isn't this good? Oh, wow, thank you. I don't know how long it's been since I've bought anything, you know, like... It's been a long time since I've bought anything like this sort of thing, anything, because I haven't really seen much can't get anything, and just don't... The opportunity anyway. Look at these. Isn't that good? Isn't it pretty? Love it. Absolutely love that. Oh dear, make a good dress on a doll, wouldn't it? It would make a good dress for a doll. It would. Beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Thank you so much, Anne. And this one, oh, I do love these. These are fantastic. These bit sort of ones that are open to put over the top of something or behind something, you know, to bring it out more. It's like a photo or a picture or something. It's just the thing, this sort of lace, this nice sheer lace. Thank you so much. I love that. Oh my goodness me, look at this bit. Oh, look at this bit. Oh, look at this bit. Oh dear, it's got spots and flowers. Oh dear, isn't this beautiful? Oh, I love that. Oh dear, I remember when I was telling you about how I got a lot of stuff when, like, fabric when my mother passed away. Most of hers was for making clothing though, like it was all stretchy sort of stuff, and there was a bit of cotton things, not very much, but mostly stretchy stuff that she had. So it was sort of not a you know, like, probably not in colours that were not quite suitable for what I wanted to do. So, you know, it's probably not of no use to me, but this is going to be very useful. All these beautiful things. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this. Oh, look at this one. I do love this too. All these beautiful pieces, and thank you so much for this. Isn't this nice? Oh dear, look at that. This is going to look so nice in my book. Oh, I've got to work out, you know, I've got to have fabric spots, I've got to have journaling spots, but I'll figure it out. I'm learning, and then I can do other things as well with it and show you what I've done. So thank you so much for all these beautiful pieces, Anne. They are so nice. I love every single bit, every single bit. The fairy pieces and all the cotton pieces, fairy wing pieces. I love the fairy wing pieces. Oh, thank you so much, and the lace and all these beautiful things. Thank you so much, and for your beautiful card that you made for me in this envelope. Look at that. That is a really good idea, you know, what you've got here. You've got your piece of paper, you've made the card and you've coordinated that on there with it. It looks really cool. Thank you. And thank you very much for these beautiful tags and my tea bags. Thank you, Anne. This is such an amazing parcel. Thank you so much, Don. I really appreciate that, for you sending it to me. And thank you, everybody, for watching. And I'll come back on here shortly with another envelope. Okay? So thank you so much, everybody. Bye-bye.